Hey, welcome to the Excel Dent Removal channel here. Back again with another paintless dent repair. Today we've got a RAV4 with a dent right in the quarter panel here. Pretty good sized dent. It's around about 5 inches. A little bit of a crease going here too. And with this one we're going to do a little bit of glue pulling to pull as much of this damage out as we can. And then we've also got the taillight out here. A good opening through the electrical hole. And we can get a tool with a couple of good bends in it to get behind there and push it out the best we can. Now, this particular vehicle here came from a dealership and then went to a body shop that they use to take care of some of the damage. Now, down below in the bumper here, we've got a broken light, we've got some scratches in the bumper, and also some scrapes where this is, but we should be able to buff some of this out. Now, this particular car, like I said, came from the body shop. And what happens is the body shop tends to recommend paintless dent repair and use it when possible. This pearl paint is usually a 3-stage paint, pretty complicated paint to match and have to work with. The cost also is going to be extensive for them to repair this, mud it, fill it, paint everything in here. So definitely paintless dent repair is a better option, something that the dealerships will choose and the body shop. So keep watching here as we do this paintless dent repair on this panel. And you're going to see how, like I said, we're going to pull it, we're going to do some pushing, we're going to get this looking good. Alright, so I was able to glue pull a lot of the damage out of here, but there were a couple of creases that running through here. It wasn't just one big hit. So let's take a closer look at it and I'll kind of show you what we've got going. Alright, so let's see if we can get a better look at this here. So we've got some, we were glue pulling here. We started on this edge here. I started on a little bit up through here. There's a little bit of a line there, a little bit of a ding here. So a couple of different creases that were running on this one. And, you know, maybe if this was something you wanted to try yourself, you might be happy with that. Obviously on a newer vehicle, we need to go ahead and knock down some of this high spots where it pulled it up. So there's a little bit of high spot here, a little bit here. Probably what I'm going to do is going to take my knockdown tool and knock down some of these spots, glue pull a little bit more, and then go through the taillight to pull some more of this out. Now, if you're interested in any of the glue pulling tools I was using to pull some of this damage out, I've got a cordless glue gun and a mini lifter that I was using and a couple of different specialty tabs that I use to pull on this. So I've got a couple of links down in the description, take you right to those products if you're interested in that. Alright, so I'm all set up to start pushing on the damage here. I've got some tape around the hole up here to protect that edge, and this is the tool that I'm going to use. It's a pretty good solid rod. It's got a double bend in it. This is from A1 Tool. If they still carry these, I'll leave a link down in the description. It comes with no tip, so I've got an adjustable tip. This is the R4 tip that's pretty common from Dentcraft Tools, and so I'm going to use that here. I've got the soft tip first to start with pushing, so don't make any poke marks. Start with that. I've got the heat gun running here to keep it nice and warm, and you might hear that in the sound. But what I'm going to start doing is just slowly pushing some of this out. Then I'm going to switch to a different tip and get a sharper tip in here to make some more precise little small pushes. Alright, another excellent paintless dent repair completed here at Excel Dent Removal. Finished up the creases that we had in the quarter panel here of this RAV4. I'm going to send it back to the body shop. There are a few little scratches still in there, but the body shop still has to take care of this bumper damage and busted light, and they're going to do some wet sanding and buffing on the final scratches and small stuff there to get it perfect finished up. No painting, no Bondo, no filler here with it. Another excellent repair. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more paintless dent repair videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel here and follow me here for more excellent paintless dent repair. Thanks for watching.